to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Melrose Blanchat, 29 years old, from Cadiz City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, with 4 kids. I am a college graduate in business administration, major in financial management. I am a hardworking, cheerful, dedicated, and willing to learn new tasks. My experience here in Philippines as a housemaid with 2 different employers. My first employer in 4 years, year 2016 to 2019, with 5 family members, with 1 mother, 3 kids, and 1 elder, their grandma. My duties are cleaning, cooking, ironing, laundry, take care of 3 kids, and tutor. And my second employer for 2 years, year 2019 to 2021, my responsibilities for the family of 3, 1 couple and 1-month-old baby. My duties are cleaning, cooking, ironing, laundry, and taking care of newborn baby. I am a hardworking, dedicated, with boundless patience, especially with children. I promise I will do my best and I will stay as long as you need me. I promise to complete my contract and I want to be a valuable part of your family. I hope you will give me the opportunity to work with you and your family. Thank you and God bless.